Hello, and welcome to the HelloID Service Automation Product Release video for September 2025. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution, empowering organizations by delegating user management tasks like group management and distribution group delegation. Delegating management of shared resources is another key feature. This aids its departments in preventing the accumulation of unnecessary licenses and access rights, enhancing overall efficiency and security. Please note that this video highlights only the new features in the September 2025 release. For more videos, visit docs.helloid.com or check out our YouTube channel. Let's dive in. We'll start with a PowerPoint presentation before moving on to demonstrate the new functionalities for the September 2025 release. In this release, we're introducing a powerful new capability, handling improperly assigned products through recertification. Until now, end users, such as managers or resource owners, could already approve or deny recertification requests. However, this wasn't yet possible for products that were assigned multiple times or that conflicted with each other. Starting with this release, that changes. We've added new functionality that specifically supports these scenarios. A dedicated window has been designed to guide approvers through the process of handling these improperly assigned products step by step. It's clear, structured, and helps make confident decisions. To control who is allowed to handle these types of requests, we've also introduced a new fallback group. Only members of this group can process improperly assigned product recertification requests, ensuring this remains a secure and manageable process. To use this new recertification functionality, your environment must be licensed for the HelloID governance module. Let's dive into a demonstration of the new feature. We've opened the recertification settings screen on the admin side of HelloID and navigated to the Approval Workflow tab. At the bottom of this screen, you'll now find a new fallback group configuration. The members of this group will be used to handle specific recertification requests. These include requests where the same product has been assigned multiple times or where conflicting products have been assigned. In these situations, the regular approval workflow for the product will not be used, as that could lead to very complex or even impossible scenarios. Here's a quick example. Let's say different conflicting products have been assigned to the same user, and each product has its own approval workflow. That's where the fallback group comes in. In such cases, the standard flow can't continue, and the fallback group provides a way to handle these exceptions. We'll now navigate to the overview of open recertification requests as an end user. In the recertification request overview, you'll find all open requests that I, as the currently logged in user, am allowed to handle. As you can see, there are several requests I can take action on directly. Some requests don't have an immediate approve or deny option. These involve products that are assigned multiple times or conflicting products. In this release, we added the ability to handle those scenarios too. You can do this by clicking the Resolve button, which opens a brand new screen. This new screen guides you through several steps to handle the selected recertification request and any associated improperly assigned products. On the left side, you'll see information about the user the request applies to, followed by the product name and optional description. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a brief explanation. Below that, the selected request is listed together with all related recertification requests for products that have been assigned multiple times or are in conflict. The current state, with multiple identical or conflicting products, isn't allowed and must be resolved. You can choose to return all assigned products. In that case, you don't select anything in the first step and move on to the next page. Alternatively, you can choose to keep one specific product assignment and return the rest. To do that, simply select the product assignment you want to keep in the list. The remaining products will then be returned. For demo purposes, we'll select the first request to keep and proceed to the next step. If you're not sure which request to keep, you can click Open Details to view the familiar screen with recertification details, request timeline, and any filled-in form data. In the next step, you'll see all requests that will be returned. Depending on the product configuration, tasks may be linked to the return state of the product. In this step, You can choose per request whether to execute the associated task. For example, when a product is assigned multiple times, you may not want to trigger the return task. Only requests with a configured return task will have an active checkbox and can be selected. If you don't select anything here, no tasks will be executed when the product is returned. Let's now move to the final page. This last page shows a summary of the choices made earlier. At the top, you'll see the request being kept, if that choice was made. Below that are the requests to be returned, including an indication of whether any return tasks will be executed. If the kept product has a time limit, an option to extend it will also appear on this page. Before completing the process, you'll need to enter a comment. Once everything is confirmed and the comment field is filled in, you can click Submit to finalize the handling of improperly assigned products. We're now back in the recertification request overview, and the requests we selected earlier have been successfully resolved. All handled recertification requests are logged to Elastic for auditing. In addition, each request now has an extra card in the HelloID request timeline showing how it was handled and all relevant details. As we conclude this overview of the latest HelloID release, we hope you're as excited as we are about these enhancements and new features. They're designed to streamline your experience, improve security, and ensure your system's integrity with advanced configurations and mappings. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for choosing HelloID for your identity and access management needs.